Welcome and thank you for joining us today. In this short guide, I'll walk you through the essential features of the Teacher's Portal. These tools are designed to support your daily tasks, help you stay organized, and makes teaching more efficient and enjoyable. Once you log in inside of your Teacher's Portal, head to the Teaching section. The Teaching section serves as a central workspace. Here you can access lessons material, view class information, and stay connected with students' progress. It acts as your digital teaching assistant, keeping everything you need in one place. We're going to start with the My Classes feature. Inside of the My Classes feature, it gives you a comprehensive view of your assigned classes and students. First, start by selecting a class, then you select a term, and you select an assessment, then you select a subject. And once that is done, click on the load data. So in here you can see the various statistics card, and the first statistics card gives you the total number of students that are inside of this class. We have the class average, which we've not yet set. We have the attendance rate, and we have the pending assessment. So if you just scroll down, you're going to see the statistics board here. Here we have the search icon where you can search for a specific student. We have the sort feature here where you can sort by name, grade, raw score, and statuses. We have the preview action here. Click on it. You can view the details of this specific student. We have the assessment performance, we have the performance analysis, and we have the attendance summary. You can print the details of this particular student. Let's close it. We have the send message icon where you can send a message to this specific student. Let's say you want to send a particular message to this student. We have the different communication channels, and we have the different templates here. Make sure you select any template of your choice, and you give a subject in here. Let's say, let's add the subject achievement, or let me say I want to choose this. I choose this, and we have the different variables here which you can add. Let's say you want to add the class, and click enter. You want to add the school. You can separate them by clicking on the enter key on your keyboard. You can also set the different priorities. This is the high priority, and you can click on you can show the preview to see how it looks like. So this is the preview, and when you're done composing this message, then click on the send notification button. Up next, we have these quick action buttons here which are clickable, and whenever you click any of these actions, it takes you to the specific section at your left hand side. Next, we're going to talk about the assessment and test. Inside of the assessment and test feature, it helps you plan, schedule, and manage assessments for your classes. We have the list view, which is this view, and this is how the list view looks like. And we have the calendar view, and here is how it looks like. Next, we have the search icon that permits you to search for a specific assignment and assessment inside of this feature. Let's go back to the list view, and in here we have the different classes. We have the different classes and the subjects. We have the all types of assessment. We have the terms. We have the statuses, and we have all the items. So let's start by selecting a class and a subject. Let me just quickly show you how you can schedule an assessment. Click on this button and you complete this form. Let's say you want to select the type of assessment. You select the subject, select the term, and you select the assessment. You select the assessment here, let's say history, and you assign a date to it. Then you add time. Next, you check the duration if it's okay, and to check the total marks, give a short description, and you add instructions. Next, you want to notify the student via email or the parents via email. So you just toggle this on and you click on the schedule assessment. So here's the assessment that we created a while ago, and in here you can either edit this assessment, or you can duplicate the assessment, And when you duplicate this assignment, you can just modify whatever you want to modify, and then you click on the schedule assessment. So we don't want to do that right now. And you can also delete this assessment. We also have some some quick actions on the past assessment here, where you can just duplicate and you can just view some results. Next, we're going to talk about grade entry. The grade entry feature helps you to manage students' grades for different assessments. Let's start by selecting a class. We choose an academic term and we choose an assessment. Then we select a subject. And we're going to have this data here, right over here. Inside of this data here, you're going to see that we have 5 students present inside of this specific class. And next, we have these quick actions here, which helps you to apply grades to multiple students. It helps you to mark multiple students absent, and it helps you to also mark multiple students as excused. So let's just apply a grade. Let's say 70. I want to give the 70 to 2 students. Let me select the students and I click on apply. Click on confirm. So if you also want to mark students absent, first of all, select the student and to click on the absent feature. We also have this excuse. If you want to excuse a student, select that student and to click on excuse. So these are all the statistics that we've just added here. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can also manually input the grades. You can just click here and you add the grades. And we have the different percentages, and we also have the comments. For us to add a comment here, just come here. We have this quick action here. Click on it and you're going to see where you can add a comment. Click on add a comment and you say, hey, okay, and save. So this is the comment we just added. We also have these other different actions like mark as excuse, grade history. Let's just check the grade history of this student. So this is the grade history of this student. You can show receipt form, and in here you can add the raw score. Let's say we want to add the raw score, and we add the calculation mode, best score, let's say latest attempt, or you choose anything that best suits your school or best suits your grade for that moment, and you add a comment. Let's say fair. So when you're done composing or checking out the grade history, click on the submit receipt grade. We also have 3 AI interesting features that we've integrated inside of this platform that is going to help you to facilitate your daily activities. We have the question bank, and in here you're going to use AI to generate some questions for your students. So you just need to fill out this form, and when everything is being filled, just click on generate questions and it's going to generate your questions that easy. We also have the report comments, and inside of the report comments, it helps you to comment on. So by doing that, first of all, select a class and you select the term. Then you click on the load student. And next, what you're going to do is either you input the comments manually for each specific student, or you can just generate the comments for all the students, or you can generate one after the other by clicking on this button. So I want to just generate for all the students that are in here. Let me just click on this button and it's going to be generated automatically. So that is how AI facilitates your work. And when that is done, click on the submit comment and your comments will be generated. We also have this voice AI grade entry. It helps you to manually input grades to specific or to all the students inside of the system, or you can just click on this voice record button and record whatever you want to input for a student. So by either typing the grades, you can either type the grades or you just use voice input. So I'm just going to show you a practical way to use your voice input. To be able to use your voice input, click on this button and you start recording. Hey, I want you to apply the grades 85 to Peter. When you're done recording, just click on it and stop the record. Then you click on pass grades, and you can see that the AI has successfully transcribed your script and it has done exactly what you wanted to do. Then you click on continue and you click on apply, and it's, as you can see, The 85 grade has been applied to Peter successfully. We also have this export to Excel button that you can export your file and keep for future use. And when everything is done, don't forget to first of all save your changes before you export. Next, we're going to talk about the attendance tracker. It helps to track and manage students' attendance with comprehensive reporting. We have the statistics card here that helps to show how each and every progress is being made. But we are going to first of all start by selecting a class. Then you select a subject. Just choose a random date, and we have the different statuses here. So I'm just going to quickly go through it. So the tick shows present, and the X shows absent, and we have the lateness, and we have the excuse. So let's just mark this as absent. You can see one student is absent. Let's mark this as present. One student is present and one student is late. So we can increase the minutes of lateness. Let's say late by 10 minutes. And you can also add a note here. We have the attendance trends here that shows a chart on how everything is being done. We have this drop down here where you can select either weekly, monthly, or termly how the attendance are being tracked. We have the attendance summary here. We can see everything that is being done inside of the system. Next, we have this all students where you can reset all students. You can select all students, or you can deselect all the students. And we have this AI voice attendance. To be able to use this voice AI, just come back, click on the voice AI, you choose the class, you choose the subject, you choose the date. You can click on this icon and you choose any date. Then you can choose the voice mode. Then you click on the start voice. In here you can manually write, or to make things easier, just click on this button, record whatever you want to record, and then it's going to transcribe it and gives you what you need. So let's just do that. Hello, I want you to mark sample test as absent. When you are done speaking, click on this voice record to stop the voice, and you click on the pass transcribe. As you can see, sample test has been marked absent. Click on submit. When everything has been configured successfully, just click on the save icon. Next, we're going to see the times table. The timetable helps you to schedule your teaching period. This timetable is being configured at the level of the vice principal's portal. And in here, you can see the different subjects and the different free periods. You can see today's classes, and you can also see the subject legend in here. You can export this to an Excel file and keep for future use.